Now continuation to my previous video. Here I am again before you, and we are going to continue with the templates from where we had left last term. Prospero has told Ferdinand that he will be his slave, and Prospero will chain him, and he will have all the natural things that are present in the environment. That is, he will drink the sea water, he will have the fishes from the sea, plus the grasses and the herbs that are the herbs and the shrubs that are present there, that will make up his food. So Ferdinand says, I will resist such entertainment till my enemy has more power. That is, I will not allow anyone to do such things to me until my enemy has gained control over me. Draws and is charmed from moving. Draws his sword. He takes out his sword, but then Prospero has cast a magic spell on him. Miranda, oh dear father, make not too rash a trail of him, for he is gentle and not fearful. Make not too rash means do not be irrational to him, for he is and do not punish him irrationally, for he is a gentleman and he is not at all fearful about anything. Prospero, what I say, my foot, my tutor. Prospero says, what I say, my foot, my tutor means. Prospero to Miranda, what do you want to teach your father? Do you want yourself to be the teacher of your father? What makest a show? Means, you treacherous fellow, put back your sword into the scrabble. But darkest not strike thy conscience. You are simply pretending to be brave, but you have no courage to strike, because your conscience is feeling so guilty. Is so possessed with guilt, come from thy God, for I can hear this arm thee with this stick. With this stick means with the magical, presumably Prospero's magical stick he is talking about. With this stick, and make thy weapon drop. Prospero is saying that for I can hear, and now I am with the help of this band, I can with the help of this band deprive you of your sword, and make that, and with the help of my magical stick, with the help of my magical power, I can make your sword drop down, because you are pretending to be brave and you are not brave. Miranda, beseech you, father, request to you, father. Here we will stop, children, and only one page is left. Tomorrow, or maybe on Monday, we will finish off this, and then we will do English language. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, children.